Hello, this is Vivek Sharma from ProvisCommerce. I am going to take you down in this session about a dive into B2B e-commerce platform. And for that, we have prepared a demo where we have a PC enterprise, which is a demo store, a wholesaler distributor. And then we have mobile app for them. This is designed for the stationery industry. Let's go. Now, while we go down in the platform, we are going to check how we are helping the businesses using the AI and automation to solve the core fundamental problems. So before we go down, I just want to take you to the dashboard where you can see all your latest stacks, as well as you can see the modules, namely like responsible for order management, delivery management, customer management. Basically, they have been fundamentally using the general operations and sales of the B2B business. And now we are talking about the first fundamental problem, which is customer churn and margins. So for that, we are using AI to solve this problem. And I'm going to take you to the AI analysis first. Although you can see there are various analytics available in here also. Let's go to our predictive analysis. At this point, what we have done is we have already put this data into our AI model, which has already processed it. And what you see here is the processed data, like in last 30 days, like this was updated last yesterday. So I have 75 cannot lose customers, which are almost around verge of losing. Uh, then there are at-risk customers. Then there are need attention customers. So whatever is like high priority are in red. Then we have customers which ordered previously and then suddenly they have disappeared. There are 36 loyal customers who has been potentially ordering good in this amount of time. There are loyal customers over a 1 year time. So we have this customer segmentation done by our AI analysis by this data. Now, what we like, if we implement this for an organization, generally they will have this done every day. They can set the frequency every day, every week, how they want it. But they can also go here and click on this refresh button, and this will automatically like send this information to our AI model for processing, and then that will like regenerate these results. Generally, it takes like around 30 minutes to 45 minutes to get this data processed by the AI. But for your reference, we already processed it, and we are going to like try this again in this video. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's try this again. And then meanwhile, we'll be talking about everything else. So I am hitting this refresh button and my AI predictive analysis is in progress. Background, it would take around 15 minutes. Generally, now because like we recently processed this data, so it would be quicker this time. But it's still going to take 10-15 minutes. And it's not only about just AI. So once we have this data, we also have an automation in place which sends email, reward points, and messages to these customers which are almost about to on the verge of losing, and then we try to get them into the platform. So for example, like we send 50 reward points to these customers, we send them an offer in the cart, we notify all these customers via platform and mobile app, and then we also send them a personalized email. For at-risk customers, we are not notifying them via the platform. Rest everything is done. Then need attention customers, we are just notifying them and sending them an offer, no reward points. So business can define like what the action item should be. But this is for this demo, we have prepared like these 4 categories of customers where we want to do some actions, and these actions will be done automatically as soon as my analysis is received from the AI model. Now, because this is going to take some time, so let's go to the mobile app and let's move around it. So I am going to connect my mobile screen via QuickTime. I'm going to pause it for a second. Now I'm going to go back to my panel, and I'm going to share desktop. Okay. Okay. So this is updated already today. Yeah, it took much lesser time, and we have sent notifications, reward points, which was received just now. I am going to check if I have just received an email. I'm going to stop my screen sharing. Okay. I am still waiting for my email, but generally this email looks like, okay, so this is how we have set the automation. So you will receive an email, and then this mail content can be configured on the platform according to the need and requirement. Let's go to the platform again. We have a detailed analysis in here, so you can like curate and decide, okay, which actual customers you want to go and see. And this is based on the AI RFM analysis. Uh, okay. So now this is something which we do every day. So when you start your day, you have a marketing automation ready, which sends the email as soon as your customer get into their platform or email or mobile app or PWAs, they can see the notification and then they can act and accordingly, which can get them back into your platform and do more ordering. So basically all the idea is to get more juice out of your existing customers and increase your customer churn and retention. Thank you. I think that's it for this session. We will cover the inventory management in next session.